I'm gonna show you how to build a functional Lego mug. I started by making a tall 2x2 base to secure the bottom of my build. Let's go. I'm starting with a brown 6x6 thin Lego. Then I'm going to start outlining my build with thick 2 wides. You can use any color Legos you want. After you place the first layer of sides, add a 2x4 perpendicular to one of the sides. You'll build your handle with this piece. Continue building the sides up and pay close attention to how I built my handle.
Hold the bottom, twist it. Put your hand in. Twist. Push in the mug. Surround it like how you would put a trash can in a spot. Fill it up. You can just